Hello guys, welcome to Code Studio. In this session, we will discuss how to manipulate array objects or array values using a Numpy methods. These are the few methods which we will discuss like reshape, split, append, insert, delete and unique. Okay, so let us go to the Jupyter notebook and see how to use these methods. So this is my Jupyter notebook. So let me open the Python cell. To use a NumPy methods, first of all, I have to import the NumPy library. So first method is reshape. This method is used to change the shape of the array, okay, without changing its data. So let us see how to use this. Okay, so I'm creating a one array. So this is my flatten array. Now if I wanted to change the shape of this, okay, using the reshape method I can change. So now let's suppose if I wanted to convert this to 3 rows and 2 columns, so how can I? So let us see. So a dot reshape 3 rows 2 columns. Okay, so using reshape method we can change the shape of the array without changing its data. Now the next method is split. Okay, basically this method is used to split the array into a subarray objects, based on or along with your specified access. So let us see how to use this. So let me create a array object. Okay, so using method called split. Okay, the first argument would be your array object, then after the split. See, now based on the index, okay, so 0 to 3, okay, so it got divided this complete array into subarrays with the 3 values. Now if you wanted to split this based on the index range, okay, now how can we? So let's suppose I wanted to give the range of this, okay, index range. Okay, let us see now what will be the value. Okay, so the first subarray is start from 0 to 3. It means, okay, it will be start from 0 to the third index, 0 1 2 3. Okay, the fourth will not be included. Now the second subarray, okay, will be start from fourth index to sixth index. Okay, so basically 7 minus 1 sixth index. So in my case this will be my fourth index, fifth and sixth. Okay, now the third array, so third subarray, okay, it will be start from the seventh index till the end. In my case it is my seventh index, okay, and then after the till the end, that is 8. Now let us see the next method called resize. Okay, so this method will be used to change the array size, okay, by specifying the size. So let's suppose I have an array object of a, okay, which is a 2 dimensions of 2 rows and 3 columns. Now if you want to change this array to 3 rows and 2 columns, then using resize method we can achieve that. Resize your first argument, then after your shape, so 3 is to 2, right? So 3 rows 2 columns. Okay, now if you change the the shape to higher value, okay, then what will happen? Let us see. So I have a 6 values, okay, so I'll try to convert this into the 3 to 3, 3 rows 3 columns, but I do not have those many data, right? So let us see what will happen. Okay, so basically it will try to reuse the the previous values. Okay, now our next method is append. Okay, this method will be used to append the array at the end of your input array, and this operation is not in place. Okay, so new array will be allocated. Okay, so let's say this is my 2-dimensional array object. Okay, now I wanted to add another array with this. Okay, so using append method. So np dot append a, now your new array object. So I'm taking 7 8 9. Okay, see these values got appended with these, but you see one strange, right? So this got flattened now. So earlier I had my two-dimensional, now this is a flattened array. So to maintain the original array object dimensions, we have to pass the the new array with along with access value. Okay, and also once you use the access value, you have to make sure that the dimension of the new array also must match with the original array object. So let us see how to use that. See, let us see what will happen. In this case, my A array object is a two-dimensional. I'm trying to append the one-dimensional object. Okay, so let us see what will happen. Okay, it will throw an error of value error. Okay, if I use the same dimension, okay, then it will give the results. Okay, this is my new array value got appended with my old array. Okay, now next method is insert. Okay, this method is used to insert a new value, okay, to the input array values along with its access. Okay, but the new value will be inserted before the index value which we are going to give in the while using this insert method. Okay, what I mean is in append, basically whatever the new array values, all these will be appended at the end of the input array objects, right? But in insert, we can insert the new value in between the existing input array values. Okay, so let us see how to use. So this is my array objects. Now let me use insert method to insert some values in between this input array. Now I wanted to add a new row, okay, just after my first row, or I would say like just before my second row, that is index of 1. Okay, this is index 0, right, for a row. So let us see, np dot insert. Now you have to give the first argument, that is your input variable. Second one would be your index to which before you wanted to add this new value. So I wanted to add just before this row, right? So this is my index position for that row. Okay, so what value? So I would like to add value of 10. Okay, and I have to give the access level as well, right? So as I'm going to add the new row, so I have to give access is equals to 0. Okay, similarly, if we wanted to add a new column with the new values, okay, so this is a way. Next method is delete. Delete method is used to return a new array value by deleting its subarray along with its access values. So let us see how to use this. So let's suppose I have a two-dimensional array with the shape of 3:4, that is 3 rows and 4 columns. Now using delete method, okay, I would like to delete these rows, okay, and this column, this 1 5. Okay, so how to achieve that? np dot delete bracket your first array object, then after the index. Okay, so I want to delete this row, right? So index for this row is 1. Okay, I have to give access is equals to 0 because I'm going to delete the row. So let us see. Okay, this row got deleted. Now if I want to delete this, in that case the column, okay, you have to give this. Okay, now our last method is unique. This method is used to fetch the unique array values from any array object. Okay, so let us see how to use this. Let's suppose I have a array object of like this. Okay, to get the unique values, okay, unique array values, you have to use np dot unique. In argument you have to pass your array object, so you will get the return of unique values. Okay, so that's all for today's session, guys. I hope you understand how to manipulate the array values using these given methods. If you like my video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.